Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make banana bread. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to peel the 5 bananas and we're going to put them in a bowl, and I'm going to smash them with a fork, but you can use one of those things to make mashed potatoes to do it too. So now I'm going to add the 4 large eggs to the bananas. Now you also add the butter, the condensed milk, and if you want, you can put a little bit of vanilla. In another bowl, I'm going to put all of the dry ingredients. So the 4 cups of flour and the 3 tablespoons of baking powder. So now that you've mixed it well, we're going to put the other mixture that we have into this bowl. And just so it's not so hard, we're going to put only half of it and then mix it well. And once you've mixed that, you're going to put the other half in. If it's too dry or kind of hard to mix, you can add a little bit of milk. So now we're going to put all of the batter into a baking tin. With the 1 banana that was left, we're going to cut it into little pieces and put it on top of the batter. Now we're going to put it into the oven for 50 minutes. After you take it out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. As you can see, it's very soft and moist. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below any recipes or anything you want me to make for next time. Have a great day. Bye.